All right, ladies and gentlemen, how we doing? This is Street Rat again. Today's May 1st, about 7:20 p.m. I was out all day doing rides, and today's segment is going to be a part two of no car washers at the car wash. Do it yourself. Yeah, and from what I understand, I think they're not going to have any car washes until probably May 31st or June 1st. Just by speaking with some of the staff at this car wash I'm at. This is Freddy's. I'm over here on Craig and Valley in North Las Vegas. A lot of the people that subscribed, they're not going to, they're not coming back. They pretty much had unsubscribed from the monthly car wash. So I think they probably lost about 2/3 of business. And when it does open, they're not going to bring a lot of people back. So, yeah, I've been washing my own car now for a little over a month now. And, yeah, there's no car wash. As you see right now, there's no car washers out here. Inside here is a little waiting area. All right. Yeah, you can't wait in there anymore. You can't even play any more slot games and so forth, okay? So, however, the oil change place is open. They do oil changes there, but I think their hours are cut as well. So, all you can do is really just wash your own car and get gas and get an oil change, okay? Or small services from that little shack right there. I know that my monthly bill was $60. I think it's only down to $25, okay, being that you have to do it yourself and so forth. They're nice and they let you use towels and stuff, but you really have to bring your own materials. They do what they can. I know for me what they're going to do is they're talking about doing a special service, maybe like a inside shampoo job and so forth for the people, the lower people that were able to ride this coronavirus thing out. Okay, so I figure like this, it's going to be like a month left, and I think no matter where you're going to go to subscribe, it's going to be the same problem. You know, some people are used to probably washing their own cars anyway by now. I'm pretty much used to it. I've done it before, and I look at it as just as a privilege, okay, to have somebody to wash my car for me. I was able to probably save about $35, and I could take it and do something else with it. Like I've been doing some repair work done to my car. I got tires. I had to get lights replaced. I'm going to have to get an alignment, and I'm looking at probably doing that within the next couple of days, and I was able to get a cell phone. So, you know, I'm able to save what I could. And for me, you guys are now on the road. My insurance company, I'm pretty sure a lot of all the insurance companies are reimbursing money because a lot of people are not out driving. So you can save a little bit of money there. You know, you could take it and do what you wish with. Okay. But that's about it. For me, I'm just going to just withstand it. You know, I'm pretty much used to it. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and share with your friends. And stay tuned for the next video. For the last couple of days, I've been trying to derive other topics I could talk about. It's really hard to get down on the strip, and nothing really open, and I didn't want to cover anything that I already covered, other than probably the stadium and the new projects. But just stay tuned. I'm going to try to get some content out within the next 2 or 3 days. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. You guys be safe, be well out here, and make sure you obey the laws of the land. And check out some of the other videos on the channel.